This was a hacked TikTok account, and this is after recovering it. This was a forgotten TikTok account, and this is after being recovered. For that purpose, you have to close TikTok and open Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. After that, you have to go to Google and write here TikTok Help Center and hit the search button. And the very first link which appears up, you have to tap on that. And here in the search bar of TikTok Help Center, you have to write hacked and hit the search button. Now when this page appears up, you have to scroll down and scroll more on this page. And here you get the option report a problem. So tap on it. And from here you have to tap on this option available in the top right corner of this page. Now this is the most important thing here. You have to write exactly the same thing I am writing, so watch carefully. So you have to write, hi TikTok team. My name is Jones and my TikTok username is ABC123. I'm writing just for example. You have to write the username of the account that was hacked. I woke up this morning and got to know that I have been logged out from my TikTok account. It has been hacked and my email, password and phone number has been changed by the hacker. You can ask for anything for approving my identity, but please help me recover my account. My hacked account's link. And here you have to paste the link of the profile that was hacked. For example, this is the account that was hacked by someone else. You have to tap on this share button available at the bottom right corner of the screen and press this copy link button. And after that, again go to this page and paste it here, my email address. And here you have to write the email address on which TikTok team can contact you. And after that, press this gallery option and upload some screenshots of your account if you have any. This will strong up your case and TikTok team will be more confident that this account belongs to you. So if you have any media or pictures of your account or any other information related to it, just upload it here and submit this request. And let me write a thanks here and let me show them that I'm sad. And after that, just submit this request and TikTok team will hopefully contact you within 48 hours on the email address which you have provided, and they will help you recover your TikTok account. Now if you want to know that how the hackers hack the TikTok accounts or how your account has got hacked, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.